Hi, welcome to the Chig's Food Vlogs. So I'm back with another air fryer video. Today I'm going to be making a delicious but very easy roast chicken dinner in the air fryer. So in this mixing bowl I have 3 chicken legs, some frozen roast potatoes and 1 chopped medium carrot. So let's begin. Drizzle some lemon juice, followed by some oil. I'm using oil spray for convenience. Mix 1 spoon of garlic and ginger paste. Add some seasoning, salt and pepper. Add a pinch of mixed herbs. This is completely optional, a spoon of Lebanese 5-spice and a pinch of red chili. Give it a good mix and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So it's been in the fridge for 30 minutes and here it is. Open the air fryer and just chuck it all in and arrange it in a way so that the chicken is not covered by the vegetables. Set the timer for 10 minutes and cook on 200 degrees. Let that cook for 10 and I'll be right back. So it's been 10 minutes, let's have a quick look. So now it's time to turn the chicken legs over as you want that crispy taste on both sides. Okay, so I've turned over my chicken. Let's cook that now for another 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are up and the roast chicken dinner should be ready to serve. Look at that. Smells amazing and listen to that sizzling noise. It's cooked amazingly well in only 20 minutes. The easiest roast chicken you will ever make. So let's get this plated up. So here it is, guys. Looks absolutely delicious and I just can't wait to taste this one. So let's have a quick taste. I'll begin with some chicken, and as you can see the chicken is so tender, steaming hot, breaks apart so easy. Tasting this now. Wow, I have to say that was delicious. You guys have to try this one. Potatoes and carrots are also very nicely cooked and I love how you can cook everything together. So the only thing needed to finish off this chicken roast dinner is of course some gravy. So I made chicken bisto gravy in the microwave, nice and easy. So that was a roast chicken dinner made in the air fryer within 20 minutes and I have to say it does a great job. Do give this one a go and I'm sure you will love it too. Thank you for watching Chig's Food Vlogs. I'm Chigs and I'm signing out. Bon appetit.